In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an auto reply in Gmail, a convenient feature that can help you stay professional and responsive even when you're out of the office or unable to respond immediately. Let's dive right into it and make sure you can control your email communications more effectively. First, head over to your browser and open Gmail. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find a gear icon. Click on it. This will open up the Quick Settings menu. From this menu, click on See All Settings to access the full range of Gmail settings available to you. Now, in the Settings window, navigate to the General tab, which is usually the default tab that opens when you first enter the settings. Scroll down until you find the Vacation Responder section. Here's where you can activate the auto reply feature. Go ahead and select the Vacation Responder On option. This enables the auto reply setting so your contacts can receive automatic email responses while you're away. You'll want to set the first day of your auto response, which is under First Day. Pick a specific date when you want the auto reply to start functioning. If you know exactly when you'll be available again, you can specify the last day under Last Day. However, if you're unsure or prefer to manually turn off the feature later, you can leave the last day option unchecked. Below the date settings, you'll notice fields to customize your response. Begin with the subject line for your auto reply. Remember, clarity is key. A simple out of office or auto reply works perfectly, but feel free to personalize it to fit your style. Now, move to the message body. This is what your recipients will see in your absence. You should keep it professional yet friendly by including the time frame you're out and mention an alternative contact if necessary. Here's a quick example. Thank you for your email. I am currently out of the office until date. For immediate assistance, please contact alternative contact. I will respond to your message as soon as I return. Finally, you have the option to limit this auto response to just your contacts. If you wish to restrict your auto response to people in your contacts list, check the box that says, Only send a response to people in my contacts. This is particularly helpful in filtering responses only to key individuals and avoiding sending auto replies to all unwanted, unexpected inbox traffic. Once you've filled out the fields, double-check your information for any errors. When you're satisfied with it all, scroll down and hit Save Changes to finalize your settings. Your Gmail auto reply is now activated, ensuring your communications continue seamlessly while you're away. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automatic response in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.